Treat varicose veins and spider veins with this Arnica ointment. Varicose veins and spider veins are a beauty problem that affects a large part of the adult female population. They are usually the result of a problem in the circulatory system. This dilates the veins and capillaries, almost always in the lower extremities. Varicose and spider veins usually have a reddish or bruised color and are usually quite noticeable on the skin since they cause swelling. They usually develop on the calves and the inner part of the thighs. However, they can also appear on other parts of the body. Most women begin to suffer from this condition during pregnancy or from the age of 50 due to the hormonal changes that the body experiences. Regardless of the cause, those who develop varicose or spider veins seek to minimize their appearance. This is not only because they affect the beauty of their legs, but also because they can cause swelling and pain. Fortunately, there is a wide variety of remedies and natural products that help to reduce them if used consistently. Among these remedies is Arnica ointment, valued since antiquity for its anti-inflammatory and anticoagulant effects. Learn how to use it, and give it a try. Arnica ointment to minimize varicose veins and spider veins. Arnica ointment is an organic product that has been used as a natural treatment for circulatory problems for hundreds of years. It's an alpine plant that grows wild on roads and in vacant lots and is very common in European and Latin American countries. It has been valued throughout history for its homeopathic qualities. Arnica is suitable for the treatment of muscular injuries, joint pain, and inflammatory disorders. In fact, many of its extracts and active compounds are used in the pharmaceutical industry to manufacture remedies, ointments, and other topical products. Its main benefit for treating varicose veins is its ability to increase blood circulation locally and facilitate its return to the upper body. It reduces the size of the vein without affecting the blood flow passage. This has an interesting positive effect on inflammation. In addition, massaging it into the skin decreases the feeling of tension and pain in the legs. This is especially noticeable after doing physical activity or after a hard day's work. Its composition even tells us that it's a good treatment for sprains, bruises and other superficial wounds. Prepare Arnica ointment to treat varicose and spider veins. The combination of ingredients in this natural ointment create a very effective product to reduce the appearance of varicose and spider veins. Its anti-inflammatory, toning and soothing properties activate blood flow in the affected area. This remarkably reduces the appearance of veins on the skin surface. Massaging this ointment into the skin helps stimulate the lymphatic system. At the same time, it also promotes the elimination of toxins and fluids that usually affect the recovery process. While it's not a miracle cure for these conditions, regularly using Arnica ointment helps to supplement the effects that diet, exercise and other habits produce. To achieve optimal results, it's best to start using this ointment during the initial stages of the development of these conditions. This is because the more these problems progress, the more complications they will present. Let's take a look at how to make this fantastic natural ointment. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of beeswax, 30 grams. 2 tablespoons shea butter, 24 grams. 1 tablespoon of almond oil, 15 grams. 2 tablespoons of Arnica oil, 30 grams. 1 capsule of vitamin E. Method: melt the beeswax in the double boiler. When it melts, add the shea butter and the almond oil. Reduce the heat to minimum and stir with a silicone utensil so that everything is well mixed. When the mixture is ready, remove it from the heat. After this, immediately add the Arnica oil and vitamin E capsule. Allow it to stand for a few minutes and pour it into an airtight glass jar before it solidifies. How to apply it: take the necessary amount of the product and massage it into the affected areas. Let your skin absorb it. Apply it every night. You should use it on cuts or open lesions. As you can see, preparing an ointment to combat varicose veins is quite simple. Follow the steps above and pay attention to each of the recommendations for how to use this ointment. If you do, you'll start to see and feel the results within no time.